So today we are making something called as spiced potatoes or bhuna aloo, and we have some boiled potatoes with us, which we quickly dice into small pieces. Use a serrated blade knife, otherwise things will get stuck. And the idea is to cut it into small pieces, small cubes, which we really fry later on. So what kind of oil should we use? I'll let you figure that out while I chop these potatoes. This is one of my feel-good recipes. It is a real comfort food to eat this. At home I have memories of eating this as a child, and it's like super fast to make, because it's fast to make as long as you have boiled potatoes which in your house, which I tend to always had as a kid, and even now. This does not feel quite good. So yeah, we have these potatoes chopped now. And now we'll just heat the pan. Since this is sufficiently high temperature cooking, we cannot use olive oil because its smoke temperature is quite low, so it will just start flaming up and then it will lose all its properties. So we'll have to use refined oil. This is like refined sunflower oil, and let's wait for this to heat up and then we will start the magic. So now the oil is quite heated up. I'll reduce the temperature to a comfortable 6 and we'll start adding the spices. First we start with some cumin, whole cumin. We wait for it to pop. Maybe some more. Yeah, this is already popped. And ooh, that's a dangerous move. And now we quickly add potatoes. Some salt. Then we start with turmeric, coriander powder, more coriander. Wow, it smells so good now. Some red chili powder. This is not typically very spicy, but it gives a bit of color. And then I tend to add some more cumin powder. And then onion powder, this is completely optional. Garlic powder, this is also completely optional. And now we just have to toss it around. You might have to break these bonds, these connections. And now we will let it cook a bit so we get some crispiness, and then we will keep doing the same process again and again. And that's pretty much it. This is the easiest potato recipe that you can make, and this is super duper tasty, and I hope you enjoy it and you can repeat it. Bye bye.